See this problem, PQRS is a parallelogram you are given. PQRS, QM is the height from Q to this one SR it is given. This is the height, perpendicular sine shows, and QN is the height from Q to PS. Okay, height means perpendicular, of course. If this is the base, it becomes the height. For this base, it becomes the height. Understand this one? Okay, depending upon the base, we have the heights. So, okay, this height is not common for parallelogram. This is the height with respect to this base, and it is the height with respect to this base. I want to repeat this one. Understand it? Okay, now if SR is equal to 12 centimeter, very simple, and QM is 7.6 centimeter, it is given. Find area of parallelogram PQRS. First of all, we'll complete this one. Okay, first area of parallelogram, this is symbol of parallelogram, is equal to base into height. Simple, it is formula. So base you are taking here, I'll write this one SR, and height we are taking as QM, because we are discussed here two bases and heights. So which one I am taking, that only for understanding I am doing this one. 12 into 7.6. Okay, I am multiplying here 7.6 with 12. 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15, and this is 76, this is 2, this is 11, 7, 8, 9, and after one digit you have to keep the decimal point. This is 91.2. Answer of this one is 91.2 square centimeter is what? Area of this full parallelogram. Whether you take this base and height, or whether you take this base and height, you will get the area same. This is the point. Okay, depending upon the base and the height, we have what? Heights and bases are what? Different values, but area is the same. Now look at this one, what it is asked the second part. This is first part. The second part, what it is asked, QN you have to find. QN means this one. If PS is equal to 8 centimeter, that means PS is what? Now it becomes base. Base is equal to 8 centimeter. QN is what? Height. It is asked. Area is how much? We have calculated 91.2 square centimeter. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Very simple. So area of parallelogram we are writing as 91.2. Base you are writing as 8, and height we don't know. So 91.2 is equal to 8 into height we have, is it? So here I am cancelling directly, otherwise I will show in usual method. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 1 remains, yes, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, what remains? Point to give 3, 8 4s are 32, yes. So height is equal to, you are getting as, yes, it is 11.4 centimeter.